Arts Workfly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reliving the moment at Edna Manley College. I will be reacting to an old video, an Edna Manley College video. So I'm basically going back in time to Edna Manley College, just reliving the moment, reliving the experiences, and to show you guys some of the experiences that we had to go through in Edna Manley, some of the processes that we have to go through. So for those of you who missed the physical experience, this is a video that you can watch to basically understand what was Edna Manley like in that physical space. So let's begin.
Forget the routine, just start normal. Forget it.
You must be wondering what is incubation. Well, incubation is
Nico.
the art making process that we are looking at. We identify that students sometimes shy away of the process, shy away from the
Nico
process of the
created
work.
some wonderful
And
artworks
we are here
back
just
in college.
to
It was more
reinforce
like a
that
realistic
the process of the work is really
artist.
important and it's a vital role in art making. So here, if you look behind me, you'll see a form, and you should wonder what that form is all about. Well, it's really a metaphor for we're using it as the form as an egg, and that egg is really a metaphor for an idea.
My name is Sherka Wigan. I'm a final year student. What does incubation mean to me? It means maturity, personal growth and development, as well as facilitating students in a classroom setting. Okay, this is the works that were created. The egg. At first,
Let me just say that at Edna Manley College, we went through a lot to basically come up with the ideas and to create pieces that were presentable in that space. So this was one of the hard processes that we had to go through.
when we started out, it took a while to get it perfect because it would look like a moat. and it started shaping like a jackfruit. So in order to do that, we had to use the balloon to get the perfect shape and use bandage as well as plaster.
And she just graduated.
Okay.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
And then these are the three students from Edna who are the fashion students. They're doing some accessories.
I don't
Accessories.
think this is the textile room, but I do know it's the textile.
And my mom was a dressmaker, and when I was a child, I used to see her get plain pieces of fabric. I was like, how did she do that? By that, I was like, how did she do that? That's magic. So,
which I grew up in. I have a wide interest in the everyday context objects and how they normally, people normally don't take much notice of them other than the utilitarian function which they have. So I wanted to take them beyond the realm of their utilitarian function and represent them as aesthetic figures.
Drawing critique. Alright, let me pause for a while. So with the drawing critique, I remember this time at Edna Manley where we're supposed to have drawing critique. What persons would do is to set up from the night before or ensure to come early in the morning to set up so that they can get a good spot to set out their works properly. Sometimes other persons don't get any space and they would have to set up something outside so that the teachers can go around and look at it. The lecturers can go around and look at it and mark it and so on. So drawing critique and painting critique. Oh, those days were something else. So they're setting their works up on the walls, just like what I mentioned. Not to mention when it's time to buy newsprint and cartridge paper and watercolor paper. It usually pulls a lot of money out of our pockets. Oh my god, sometimes my money would just spend on art materials and not food. Some days I would just eat a small biscuit and drink some water. I remember one day when I had nothing to eat, and when I went home there was a mango tree in the backyard and I have to just eat mango for my dinner. Hopefully something happens for the next day. So college life was really a difficult one, but I got through it. So you guys can get through it too. I know that it's in a pandemic. We're in a pandemic right now and it's difficult to do online and stuff like that. But hopefully the college experience with the pandemic is kind of different from high school. Yes, these were the days, guys. These were the days.
Crystal, tell me about your work. Tell me about your work.
Crystal,
Are you stressed out? Stressed out today? What's going on?
Crystal look tired.
Talk to me.
Crystal, as I said, it's very tiring. She's a fashion designer. These videos are not my own. I got them from Pan Media. I don't think they post very often. So if you want to check out the full videos, then you can check out Pan Media YouTube channel. Yeah guys, so that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Artwork Fly.